Hi, I'm Gary Spencer Smith of Revenue Real Estate Education and Rental House Profits. To subscribe to our channel, click the subscribe button below and make sure you hit the little bell to get notified of all our top tips as they happen. So this week we're going to bring you an awesome tip. I'm going to teach you how to make $1 million in real estate. So I said this probably 5-6 years ago. I'm dating myself. It was probably 10 years ago. And I marketed this when I was speaking to some people, and I had someone tell me it was a scam. So this person was a financial advisor, a financial planner. So I actually went and met this person, made an appointment, went and seen him and said, why is it a scam? He said, well, it's $1 million. It's scummy. You can't just make $1 million in real estate. And I said, do you want to know in less than 30 seconds? He went, go ahead, enlighten me. So I was like, okay then, you buy. And at the time, the average rental house purchase price in where we invest was $250,000. So I said, you buy 4 rental houses. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. You then put a tenant in that's going to pay you money every single month, and then you pay the mortgage down over 25 years, and then you either refinance or you sell those houses. And if the house prices has never, ever, ever increased in 25 years, you made yourself $1 million. That is how you make $1 million in real estate. Now, you may have to adjust this for where you are. The house might be $400,000, so you need 2.25 houses. If it's $500,000, you need 2 houses. But what that statement then does is make you question how. How are you going to buy your first rental house? How are you going to buy your second rental house? How are you going to buy your third, your fourth, or however many properties it's needed for you to make that $1 million, or 2 million, or 5 million, or whatever the number is that you've decided that you're going to need to sustain the lifestyle that you want, or what goal you're going to set yourself to achieve? That's the question that you start to ask yourself. How do I buy my first, my second, my third, my fourth, or however many you need to achieve the goal that you want to do? By asking yourself a different question, you get yourself well on the way to creating whatever your number is. You said you want to know how to make $1 million in real estate. That's why you've clicked the link below. We've just told you. Let me know how many houses you need. Please share in your comments below. If you've liked this video, give it a nice big thumbs up. And we look forward to hearing from you. If you need to know on tips on how to get your rentals, we have lots of other videos that you can click onto on our channel, Revenue channel, or you can go to our website, revenue.com.